𝐤𝐉𝐿, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Berashit, Genesis, Chapter 9. Now these are the generations of the sons of Noach: Shem, Ham, and Japheth. And unto them sons were born after the flood. The sons of Japheth were Gomer, and Magog, and Madai, and Yahuan, Greece, and Tubal, and Meshech, and Tiras. And the sons of Gomer were Ashkenaz, and Ribat, and Togarmah. And the sons of Yahuan were Elisha, and Tarshish, Kittim, and Dudanim. By these the people of the isles were divided in their lands, everyone after his tongue, after their families, in their nations. And the sons of Ham were Cush, Ethiopia, and Mitzrayim, Egypt, and Puth, Libya, and Canaan, Canaan. And the sons of Cush were Seba, and Chehuilah, and Sabta, and Raama, and Septeka. And the sons of Raama were Sheba, and Dedan. And Cush begot Nimrud. He began to become a champion in the earth. He was a mighty hunter before Yahuwah. Therefore it is said, even as Nimrud, the mighty hunter before Yahuwah. And the beginning of his kingdom was Babel, Babylon, and Arek, and Akkad, and Calneh, in the land of Shinar. Out of the land of Ashur, Assyria went forth and built Nineveh, and the city of Rehoboth, and Kalach, and Resen, between Nineveh and Kalach. The same is a great city. And Mitzrayim begot Ludim, and Anamim, and Lehabim, and Naptuchim, and Patrusim, and Kasluchim, out of whom came Pelishtim, Palestine, and Kapturim. And Canaan begot Sidon, his firstborn, and Chet, and the Yebusi, and the Amori, and the Girgashi, and the Chihui, and the Arki, and the Sini, and Arhuadi, and Tzemari, and Hamati. And afterward the families of the Canaani were spread abroad, and the border of the Canaani was from Sidon, as you come to Gerar, to Gaza, as you go to Sedum, Sodom, and Amorah, Gomorrah, and Admah, and Zebayim, even to Lasha. These are the sons of Ham, after their families, after their tongues, in their countries, and in their nations. Also unto Shem, the brother of Japheth the elder, was offspring. He was the father of all the children of Aiber, a region beyond. The children of Shem were Ailam, and Ashur, and Arpachshad, and Lud, and Aram. And the children of Aram were Auts, and Chul, and Geter, and Mash. And Arpachshad begot Shalach, and Shalach begot Aiber. And unto Aiber were born 2 sons. The name of one was Peleg, division, for in his days the earth was divided. And his brother's name was Yokthang. And Yokthang begot Almudad, and Shalep, and Hatzar Mahut, and Yerach, and Haduram, and Auzal, and Dikla, and Aubal, and Abimaal, and Sheba, and Auber, Ophir, and Jehuilah, and Ubab. All of these are the sons of Yokthang, and their dwelling was from Mesha, as you go to Separ, a mount of the east. These are the sons of Shem, after their families, after their tongues, in their lands, after their nations. These are the families of the sons of Nuach, after their generations, in their nations. And by these, the nations within the earth were divided after the flood.